Myself is Dr. Devendra Kumar. I have been teaching in the Lal Anand College of Delhi University for the last 30 years in the Department of History. So, in a permanent capacity, I have been teaching here. So, this is my introduction.
So, sir, my first question is that what's your reaction to an MBA school organizing talks by spiritual leaders?
I think this is a very good idea actually that you introduce such type of programs, and particularly for the youths, because this is my personal experience. Actually, I saw the students at the age of 21 and 22. Actually, they are ready to do anything, and I know this thing that particularly for these students, I think there is nothing in this world which cannot be achieved by devotion and sincerity. And we have to teach such type of students, particularly at this age. It mostly depends on hard work.
Yes.
Ability to persist despite odds, temporary setbacks, and the adverse circumstances. Actually, sometimes students they face several such type of circumstances. So this is our duty that we have to teach of such youths that they should go in the right direction, not in a bad direction. I know such type of cases at the age of 21 and 22. The students actually, one or two students I have seen in my college, I tell you, that they think even for suicide. So we have to teach them, because we are the mentor, they are the mentees. So I think it's spiritual that you are organizing. So I would like to say that this is very, very, very good. And such type of programs actually should be done. I think we need from each and every institutions for the youths.
Okay. So, sir, my second question is that as you know, our economy is slowing down, and there will be job losses. So, how the students should face these kind of situations?
About economy?
Yes, sir.
Actually, you put up this question before me. So far as economy is concerned, actually after graduation or post-graduation, even after PhD, I am seeing that the students, they are not getting the job. So some professional courses, they are very important for the students. And in my college, my principal introduced one or two such professional courses. Suppose for instance, if 25 students saw the admission in that profession, so we have to think that all the students, 25 students, they have to well placed. And your name is? Anjali. So far as actually the economy of the country is concerned, there are several factors. So it will be very difficult to define about the economy. It's true that our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji actually is a very good administrator of the country, and he is doing such type of works, and he is thinking not only for the youth, but he is actually for women empowerment, and he is doing Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao, Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. So it will take some time, but the things will come in the light, and I think definitely there will be some development in this field. It's true that several says if we initiate such type of works, then economy will be slow down, but I don't think. Economy will also be improved, youth will get the job, but our intentions should be very fair, and our Prime Minister Narendra Modi is doing his own works in this direction.
Okay, sir. So, sir, my last question is that share some suggestions to crack the corporate interviews.
Actually, that's true that awareness actually among the youth should be. Only a bit earlier I quoted one example that at this age students they think about the suicide. Why should they think? This is our duty. So if you actually initiating the interviews. So you will also know about the views of the professors, because we all are, and actually 4 teachers, they came here, including principal of the college. So if you ask such type of questions before the persons, those who are coming here, and this should also be actually the challenges before the teachers, that they have to discuss such type of things among their students, that actually some awareness that's become among the students. So this is very good that you are holding such type of interview.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.